So I thought this video might be of some use to somebody. Oven, and this will work for most fan operated and just general ovens. When the element goes, you will turn your oven on and your oven won't get hot, and that should be fairly obvious, but it's a fairly simple job to sort out. Now the first thing you need to do is find out where the stickers are on your oven. They usually are on the door jamb here, just underneath the rubber seal or whatever. They should be around there somewhere. It will tell you the serial number, which this is a Kenwood KTC whatever there, which will probably be the same for most of the ovens around this time. There'll be variations of the model numbers, and there'll be variations for different other makes of ovens. They've probably all got the same element in, but if you do a Google search of your model number, you should be able to find a replacement part pretty easy. Picked one up off Amazon. It was delivered the next day, which is today, and we're going to fit it. So this shouldn't take too long, hopefully. I'm just going to remove these and see what we're up against inside. So just going to put some light on there, and immediately I can see, I think there's a couple of screws in the side, because I have replaced this before. So it's behind this panel here is the element. So we're going to get that out now using my special tools. Now don't forget to turn your power off to the oven. You don't want to kill yourself. So there's a screw down in this corner here. Just let me adjust the camera slightly so you can see what's going on. Yes, I know the oven needs cleaning, but we're not here to clean the oven, are we? So there's a screw there. You should better get a screwdriver on. Now it would probably help if you used a magnetic one. And bearing in mind this has probably had a lot of heat, you should be able to get this out quite easily, but it might just be a bit stiff to start with. You could spray it with some lubricant, penetrating fluid. It should just come off there. You can see now that the front face here is coming off now. So like I said, this should work for most ovens. You should be able to get to it from this side. Something that quite commonly goes on an oven, especially if you use your oven a lot. So there's the fan. That's not what you need today. And there is the element. It's elementary. So that is held on with two screws. Just put them somewhere safe. Yeah, the next thing you need to do is get your box opened with the new one, and make sure you've got the correct one. So I'm just going to open the Amazon packaging. And there you go, that is the element. Like I said, really easy job to do, and it's probably a lot easier when you haven't got a camera in your way as well. So there should be two screws holding it on. I can't quite see them because my glasses aren't on right. So you should be able to remove these screws. Like so. There should be another one at the top there. Just get your screwdriver on. Do that one again. There you go, one screw out. Put that somewhere safe so you don't lose it. And then tackle the other one. There we go. Camera stopped rolling there, but I've wrapped some insulation around one of the contacts there because the rubber boot on the connector had come off, so we can just shove this back through there now, and the next job is to get the screws back in. So I would start with the top one and keep dropping it like that. It's got to be lined up to the hole, obviously, otherwise reaches up there. Oh shit, it didn't come off. So once you get your screws back in, you just need to put the plate on here like so and give them a good tighten up. Now it will vary on different models of ovens that you tend to do, but it should be fairly straightforward to do. But then once you've done it, get your power back on and give it a test. So you should start feeling some heat. I've got my gloves on. I can feel the heat there, and it's starting to smoke a bit on the element. That's because of the newness. So that's definitely working. Then we can just turn that off now. So there you go, guys. You can have your pizza tonight. So all that's left to do is put everything back. And job's a fish. So there you go, the oven is on. The lights just come back on. And the pizza's in the oven. There you go. There's a lot of heat coming out of there now. It's working a lot better than it did before. Got my beer ready. Excuse this. It's off the air fryer. Got my glass ready, got my beer ready, and there's the old element. And like I said, completely split there. So there we go, guys. That is how you change your element on your oven, and most of them you can access them from the front just like that. There will be a panel just like that on the front of the oven at the back of the oven, not the front, but you'll have to open the door first, obviously, as you saw me do in the video. And there you go, it's just about cooking in the oven. Is the pizza there. I don't know how long it's been in now because I've been chatting away on this video. Anyway, I'm going to enjoy my beer while that's finishing off cooking in the oven, and I hope somebody got something out of this today. It's a very easy job to do. I just need a Phillips screwdriver or a posi screwdriver. Most of them screws are just posis in there, and they're more or less self-tapping as well. So there's only a couple, if anything, holding the element on, and you should be able to Google your part number and get a replacement part quite easily. And there you go. So there you go, guys. Hope you got something out of the video. Don't forget to like and follow for more tips from me. I'll catch you in another video soon, and enjoy your evening, enjoy your day, or enjoy your afternoon, or enjoy whatever time of day it is for you. There you go, guys. Cheers, and I'll see you in another video soon. Thanks for watching.